Since we were young, we've always been told that bananas are one of the healthiest fruits to have for breakfast. But is it true that eating bananas on an empty stomach is actually bad for you? Bananas are rich in potassium, copper, magnesium, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin C. However, there are common mistakes you might be making when eating bananas that could ruin their benefits or even harm your health. In this video, we'll reveal these mistakes and provide tips on how to make the most of all their nutrients. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, comment below where you're watching us from. We'd love to know. Mistake number 1. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Various studies suggest that eating bananas on an empty stomach can negatively affect blood sugar levels. While bananas provide a quick source of energy, they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Even if you're not diabetic, your body will produce insulin to counterbalance the sugar, leading to fatigue and mood swings and sometimes even anxiety. To avoid this, try not to eat a banana first thing in the morning. If you do, pair it with a protein-rich food like peanut butter or whole grain toast. This combination will keep your sugar and energy levels more stable throughout the morning. When is the best time to eat bananas? There's no perfect time, but eating a banana before bed may help you fall asleep faster, especially if you have trouble sleeping. What's the best way to eat bananas? Pair them with other foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and protein. A great option is peanut butter and whole grain bread or adding them to a smoothie. Mistake number 2. Eating too many bananas. Like anything, eating too many bananas can be counterproductive. Bananas are high in sugar and carbohydrates, which can spike blood sugar levels, especially if they aren't paired with protein or healthy fats. This is particularly concerning for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Another issue is the calorie content. Overeating bananas can lead to weight gain, and consuming too many could crowd out other essential nutrients like proteins, calcium, and vitamin D. People with advanced stage kidney failure should also avoid too many bananas due to their high potassium content. How many bananas are recommended per day? While there isn't a strict limit, experts recommend not exceeding 2 bananas daily. Diabetics should limit their intake to 1 banana per day, but always consult a doctor first. Mistake number 3. Eating overripe bananas if you have diabetes. Ripe bananas are higher in sugar and can cause a quick spike in blood sugar, which is especially problematic for diabetics. However, bananas are also rich in fiber, which can help control blood sugar when eaten in moderation and paired with fats and proteins. For those with diabetes, green bananas are a better option as they contain more resistant starch and less sugar. This starch acts similarly to fiber and doesn't cause a significant rise in blood sugar levels. How many bananas can a person with diabetes eat? This depends on the individual's activity level and carbohydrate needs. Consult your doctor for personalized advice. Mistake number 4. Not washing the banana peel before peeling. You wouldn't eat an apple or grapes without washing them first. So why do so many people skip washing bananas? Even though you don't eat the peel, washing it helps remove dirt, microbes, and pesticide residue that could transfer to the fruit inside. How to wash a banana? Simply use clean running water. No need for special products. You can also use a diluted vinegar solution to remove bacteria and harmful chemicals from the peel. Mistake number 5. Eating very green bananas. If you've ever bitten into a green banana, you probably didn't enjoy the bitter taste and firm texture. While some people like them, green bananas are high in resistant starch, which is hard to digest. This, combined with pectin, a dietary fiber in green bananas, can cause digestive discomfort such as gas and constipation in some people. What is the ideal ripeness of a banana? As bananas ripen, the resistant starch turns into sugar. A banana with a hint of green will still retain some fiber, but is less likely to cause digestive issues. Benefits of eating bananas. In addition to their delicious taste and versatility, bananas provide numerous health benefits when eaten in moderation. These include improved digestive health. Thanks to dietary fibers like pectin, bananas can soften stools and prevent constipation. The resistant starch in green bananas acts as a prebiotic, feeding healthy gut bacteria. Heart health. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is essential for controlling blood pressure and keeping your heart in good condition. Antioxidants. Bananas are packed with antioxidants that help prevent oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Appetite control. Bananas can increase satiety, helping to control hunger and manage weight. Muscle recovery. The potassium and magnesium in bananas help muscles recover from exercise-induced cramps and soreness. Now that you know what not to do when eating bananas, how many to eat, and their many benefits, you can enjoy this nutritious fruit with confidence. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have anything to add, feel free to share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like and share the link with your family and friends, so they too can learn about the common mistakes we make when eating bananas. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel